Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have the Tili Try It, Love It with Sunsets and Stilettos, and this is the QVC subscription box. Basically, once you sign up, you can sign up for auto delivery and you receive it every month in theory. This is the February box. I received it yesterday, which I don't know when I'm going to put this up, but yesterday in real time for me was Friday, March 20th. Yeah. February box. So it'll be interesting to see when we get our March box. So this is a $25 per month box. As a rule, there's usually 6 or 7 things in here, and there's always one item that makes it worthwhile. Of course, you have to want that item for it to be worthwhile. When we open it up, they usually, they just have it wrapped up in a bunch of tissue paper. And when we open it up, we do have a full-size thing. I can see that. This is what we've got. So let's dig right in and see what it is. Right on top, and I'm going to take this out right away because this is like, I've gotten this box maybe 5 or 6 times, and this is the 3rd one of these that I've received. It is the Supersmile whitening system, and that is what it is. I don't see any huge difference when I use this in the whiteness of my teeth, and they are 2 tiny samples that you only get to use a couple of times. But if you haven't ever received it before, it's a great way to try it, and you put about a pea-sized amount of each one on your toothbrush and just brush like normal. So it just takes a little bit of each, but I can see in this one, and it is like right here, and then it slants down just like that. I mean, you get maybe 3 or 4 uses, or I get usually 3 or 4 uses out of them. I will put the prices down below. I'll put the sample price and the full price so you can see whether you think the box is worth it or not. Next in the box we have, hey, I didn't get any paperwork. I got no paperwork of any type, and I didn't bring my iPad up. So this is the Clinique Smart Clinical Multi-Dimension Age Transformer, and it's to revolumize. I wonder what that means. That is the tub we got, and it's a decent sized tub. Okay, I just went away and had my husband holler down to have him Google this because I couldn't even tell if it was a hair product based on what it said, whether it was a hair product or a face product. But apparently it's a face product, and it's a gel cream in one, and it's to resculpt and revitalize your skin. So, oh good, there's no lid, so I can just show you. That is what it looks like. It has no smell. I mean, nothing at all I can smell. So for a face cream, this is a really nice sized sample. I'm really pleased with this. So this will be fun to try. I could use anything that will resculpt or revitalize and tighten my skin. So we will be talking about this. And again, I'll let you know the prices down below. Next, I have our perfume sample, and this is Potions 54 by Jill Martin. Oh, I like Jill Martin. She does the having nothing to do with QVC. She does the ambush makeovers on the Today Show. I love that. I was just going to spray it on me willy-nilly. Spray the paper, see if we like it. So I just sniffed the little tissue paper that I put it on, and it smells very nice. So let's try it on me, and we'll see how it does. First impression is that it's very nice. Let's see if this says anything about it. Fall in love with Potion 54 by Jill Martin. This alluring fragrance captures the essence of seduction and romance. A bold and delicious alchemy of vanilla, bergamot, and water lily. Let the potion work its magic for you. And it says the fragrance notes are bergamot, water lily, vanilla, and warm woods. It is very nice. I like that. I probably won't give you a price on this. How can you? It's tiny. I'll tell you what the full price is though. Okay, we're reaching in next. I have our also requisite First Aid Beauty product. We get one every box, I think. I might be wrong. I might be exaggerating, but I don't think I am. So this month we receive Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for Parched Skin. And this is the grapefruit again, and I can't wear grapefruit, so I will set this aside and reach in for what we have next. I have a Bad Gal Bang Full Blast Volume Mascara. I feel like we've gotten this. I kind of want to go back and watch my other Tili boxes just to see how much of this is a repeat. I mean, these are good products, but they're repeats. This says 90% of people saw dramatic volume. 92% said it lengthened lashes. And it is intense pitch black, smudge proof, flake-free, and water-resistant. Next we have Mind Tan. And this is the Everyday Glow Invisible Color Gradual Tan Extender. Okay, so this says Gradual Tan Color Extender, an untinted daily moisturizer with a touch of tan. Build or extend a natural golden glow. I'm intrigued. And this is 1 ounce. And that is, again, what it looks like. I think that's new. What's with... All right, next we have a Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil. I have this. I have probably 2 of these open downstairs. I keep one on my nightstand and one on my vanity where I do my makeup. I use it for my body. I use it for my hair if my ends are really dry. I use it on my face. I really love this product. It is just 100% pure argan oil. That's all it is. And this is ½ ounce. And last but not least, and the piece that makes this box worthwhile as far as I'm concerned, Melon Daiquiri by Philosophy. It's one of their shampoo, shower gel, bubble bath blends, and it is 16 full ounces. And that is what it looks like. I mean, it's huge. It's a big one. So this is our full-size product for the month. I'm going to go ahead and take the seal off of this and we'll give it a sniff. Okay, here we go. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like melon. Kind of a cross between cantaloupe, but not that musky scent of cantaloupe. You know, it's melony. I like that. That will be perfect for spring. If you have never tried these products, what I really like about them is they have a scent, and it's usually a strong scent. And when you're using it in the shower, you can really smell it. But once you get out of the shower and you dry off, you don't still smell, or I haven't found that I still have this scent on me. So you can then move forward with whatever lotion you want or whatever perfume you want. This doesn't stay with you, and I like that. Okay, so that was our $25 February Tili box. We got a full-size Philosophy Melon Daiquiri body shampoo. I only use it on my body. I don't use it on my shampoo. We got the Supersmile whitening toothpaste. We got the little perfume by Jill Martin. The Clinique Multidimensional Age Transformer. Counting real heavy on that. We have an argan oil. The Fab Beauty Grapefruit. The Bad Gal Bang Trial Size Mascara. And the Mind Tan. When I put up my 5K giveaway video, I said that as we went along, I might do things a little different since it was 5K. What I'm doing is, with some videos, I'll make them so that they're extra entries, but I'm not going to do as many of those this time. And in some videos, I'm going to do just small giveaways. So what I will say is the giveaway for this video will be open for 3 days. I will put the date down in the description. This is not related to YouTube or any of these products. And today we will do the Bad Gal Bang, the Supersmile Tooth Whitening, the Argan Oil, and the Fab Beauty Lotion. So if you would like the opportunity to win these, just put Tili, T-I-L-I, somewhere in your comment below. And then I will do a random comment selector in 3 days and just pick a winner for this little pack. And I will say, like I said in my 5K giveaway, I'm going to do all of these giveaways, and whoever wins will know they have something coming. But with everything going on out there, I am not going to the post office right now. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Bye, guys. Take care.